AI Voice Cloning Tools 2023. Muff. Utilize custom voice clones with Muff, a smart AI tool that does not disappoint. It generates natural-sounding output results with emotions like anger, happiness, sadness, and others. With this tool, you only need to clone a voice once because it allows you to use it for a lifetime. A one-time effort for unlimited results. Let that sink in. Upon hearing the final result, you can customize it to your liking and make it sound exactly how you want. This tool is as real as it can get, and you can finish the process in just 5 simple steps. Play.ht. Been mentioned on sites like the New York Times and Newsweek, Play.ht enables you to experience unparalleled quality with their service. Irrespective of whether you're a content creator, podcast owner, or just a business looking for voiceovers, you just cannot go wrong with this tool. It has the intelligence to pick up the speaker's accent, speaking style, and all the nuances. The best part is that it doesn't even require a studio-quality sample to generate a result. It's like winning in all aspects when you use Play.ht. On top of that, you can get started for absolutely free. Respeecher. Great for filmmakers, game developers, and content creators, Respeecher generates accurate voice clones that are hard to distinguish. It's packed with a ton of features such as spot-on results every time. Voice that grabs on the emotions and nuances. Tweak and alter the voice to match your requirement without re-recording. Turn an adult person's voice into children's voice. This tool does a great job of retaining the speaker's emotions so that the generated voice doesn't sound robotic. One of the reasons why Respeecher is so good is because it combines classical digital signal processing algorithms with proprietary deep generative modeling techniques to achieve the best-sounding voice. Resemble. Get started for free with Resemble, a mind-blowing tool that can produce human-like voices from just your speech. Their engine is built in a way that can identify all the punctuations in your voice, so you really don't have to worry about formatting it. All you need to do is use their web recorder to record the sample or upload it from your system. Obviously, the longer the sample, the better it will be for the results, but you can upload a voice sample that's as short as 3 minutes. This tells you how skilled the AI of this tool is. Overdub. Generate amazingly realistic voices with Overdub. It's an AI technology that can provide you with pre-sampled voices or mimic the voice you upload onto it. Since this tool really takes privacy seriously, it only allows samples of your own voice. So, if creating a voiceover of your own voice is your requirement, you can definitely go for this tool. It's free to use as long as you don't mind a limited vocabulary. Goes without saying that their premium plan does make things so much better, so you can look into it after you've used the free one for a while. ReadSpeaker. As the name suggests, ReadSpeaker generates a voice based on the text that you provide. It does a great job of creating indistinguishable voices compared to the sample, so you can definitely rely on it when you want to clone your own voice or even somebody else's. It uses deep neural networks as its type of artificial intelligence to train voice models with recordings of human voice samples. Irrespective of whether you want to use the results for business purposes or personal use, this tool is suited for all use cases. It offers a wide range of customizations, including the ability to instill various emotions and characteristics, and make the voice speak multiple languages from one sample. Voice.ai. You can use Voice.ai for games, chats, live streams, and other purposes. It allows you to clone your own voice and someone else's, and it does it pretty accurately while retaining its organic style. Rather than text-to-speech, this tool uses speech-to-speech, so whatever you say is cloned immediately in any voice of your choice. The whole setup is a simple 5-step process that takes a few seconds to get up and running with it. You can try Voice.ai for absolutely free before deciding to pay for it. Listener. Once you start using Listener, you'll realize why it won the Golden Kitty winner in 2021 by Product Hunt. It allows you to clone voices and use them for commercial use on any of your projects such as YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, e-learning material, social media content. The whole process takes a few seconds, and you can share the results on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Listener is free for up to 1,000 word conversions per month. After that, you can upgrade to Premium to lift the limitations and access more features. Coqui. Used by some of the biggest companies like Spotify, Google, and Apple, Coqui is a very intelligent tool that can replicate emotions thoroughly by the voices provided. It's suitable for various purposes like post-production, game development, and more. It demands a voice sample as short as 3 seconds to replicate it. In fact, it allows you to design your dream voice with all the settings of your choice. There are various customization options to make sure you get exactly what you need. There's also an option to collaborate with your friends and team members to bring more brains on board to create the best possible result. Veritone Voice. Another brilliant tool to generate human-like results. Veritone Voice might not be the fastest among others on the list, but it does the job well. It uses both text-to-speech and speech-to-speech to give you more flexibility in the options. Once the voice model is built, you can generate as many scripts as you like. You're also allowed to monetize your created voice for your podcasts via the Veritone Voice Network. You can reach out to them to get an exact quote depending on your requirement. Voice Mod. It's pretty fascinating when a tool can function in real time, and that's exactly what Voice Mod does. It replicates or changes your voice as you speak in real time. This tool is more than just voice cloning. In fact, it's a technology that can be used in so many different cases. Voice Mod has pre-built voices that you can utilize and make it speak anything you want. You can choose from options like an astronaut, the pilot, and other human characters. If you live stream regularly, whether for talking with your audience or playing games, this tool can come in handy because you can change your voice to something new every time to captivate the viewers. Voice cloning, if done without any negative motive, can be an incredibly useful technology. It can save you time, money, and so much effort. Not only that, but it also gives you so much more options than hiring an artist. This is not to imply that hiring artists is a bad thing, but to show that if you don't have the budget, and if your requirement is complex, these AI voice cloning tools are your best bet.